Today I'm going to show you how we work with odd and even numbers in a Montessori preschool classroom. In our classroom we use the term cards and counters. We are teaching the children to differentiate between odd and even numbers from number 1 to 10 using our counters, cards and counters. The children will be able to identify that an odd number does not have a friend and an even number does have a friend. And with an even number, we can divide by 2, and with an odd number, we cannot divide by 2. Our numbers range from number 1 to number 10. Okay, friends, today we're going to learn about odd and even numbers. Odd and even numbers are numbers with a partner or without a partner. So first we're going to take all our cards and counters, and we're going to put our numbers down. Now, what is our first number on the number line? But first we start with 0. And 0 means? None. And the next number after 0? Is 1. So Mrs. Daniel's going to take number 1. And what number comes after 1? 2. 2. Good job. So now we know our numbers. So Mrs. Daniel's going to do the first 2, and then I'm going to call each one of you to do the next number. So my first number is number 1. So I'm going to put 1 counter under number 1. So say this with me. 1. 1. The next number is number
2.
2. 1.
2.
2. That's number 2. Number 1 is an odd number. Can you say that?
Number 1 is an odd number.
Number 2 is an even number.
Number 2 is an even number.
Now I'm going to call on a friend to do number 3. Kira, can I start with you, please, to do number 3?
One, 2, 3.
Is it an odd or even number?
Odd.
Why?
The last one doesn't have a friend.
Thank you. The last one does not have a friend. So number 3 is a odd number. So let's go through all our numbers from number 1 to number 10, and we're going to identify.
Divide by 2.
We can divide by 2. Good job. So let's go through all our numbers from number 1 to 10, and we're going to identify the odd or even numbers. So number 1 is?
1.
Number 2 is?
Even.
Number 3?
Odd.
Number 4?
Even.
Number 5?
Odd.
Number 6?
Even.
Number 7?
Odd.
Number 8?
Even.
Number 9?
Odd. Even.
All right, now let's identify all the odd numbers now. The one that does not have a friend. All the odd numbers. 1,
3, 5, 7,
9. Again, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now let's say the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and those are our even numbers. So now we know how to identify odd and even numbers. Well done, friends. You did a wonderful job. Thank you very much.